Hello guys, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can make money online with this website that works for Nigerians. And there are some videos and some websites, you see some people, some YouTubers, they will drop videos and you go to those websites to perform tax, and you see that alas, you can withdraw the money. You will perform the tax, they might accept you, you will perform tax, but you will not be able to withdraw the money because they'll be asking you about paper, they'll be asking about stuff that you don't know about. Maybe as an average Nigerian, what you just know is your bank account, and they'll be asking about Payoneer, Skrill, which subsequently in this channel I'm going to show you how you can open a Payoneer account. I'm going to show you how you can open a PayPal account and a Skrill account, all those stuffs. I'm going to show you how you can open a foreign account where you'll be able to be withdrawing money directly to it. And guys, I'm very sorry for not uploading video regularly. I've been very busy with my academics, and if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejigba John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. Please, if you love any of this content, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button vigorously so that my subscribers will grow up, and so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this. And I thank you for my returning visitors for always engaging on my videos. I really love you. And in today's video I'm going to show you some websites in which you can use to perform tax, and you can earn this money directly to your bank account. And if not directly to your bank account, you see how you can redeem it without asking you for your PayPal and other stuff. So guys, let's watch this video to the end, and as usual I'll be using a screen recording, so let's go. A free site, as you can see on the screen. This is the first website you can use to earn money online as a Nigerian by performing simple tax. Afreesite.com is a platform where you take part in paid surveys and you earn reward. It says you can make your voice heard and influence the decisions that affect your daily life by taking part in online surveys. So as you can see here, you can just click join here and you'll be able to join. These are the simple steps where you just join by confirming your email address. As you can see here, that's the first step, and the second step is you just take survey. So the surveys are very quick and very easy, and the third here is you will earn reward and you get paid. This is when you complete a survey. This is when you complete a survey where you earn reward and get paid. So as you can see here, this is the various ways you can earn. It says you will help brands, understand, you help brands, you help government, and you will be able to take surveys on politics and governance and a lot of things. So as you can see here, these are some of the testimonials from people who have been able to participate on this site, and to show you that this site is very legit. So how can you withdraw your money from this platform? You can just click on this particular site and you click on reward, and when it opens, it says reward. It says you can cash while making your voice heard with paid online surveys. So this is how you can earn your money. As you can see here, this is cash. It said earn hard cool cash, which can be directly deposited into your mobile wallet. So this is your mobile wallet. Your mobile wallet can be OPay, your bank account, let me just call it your bank account, in cash. And you can also earn in PayPal. If you are this type that you have PayPal account, you can earn on PayPal also. And this is airtime for an average Nigerian. This is the one I love most. I love airtime very well because it is very easy. You can just convert it to airtime one time. As you can see here, it says this airtime can be redeemed as mobile data. So you can just use it and buy data, 1 gig, 2 gig, 20 gig, as long as you keep performing the surveys. So this is also shopping voucher. Shopping voucher is when you go to a shop and you buy things, stuff like that. You can use your shopping voucher to pay. And it says your prize draws, you get a chance to win draws. With draws, you can win cash, gift cards, electrical devices. You can use it to win gift card. After you perform your surveys, you can go and do this draw where you can use it to win a gift card, Amazon gift card, iTunes. You can also use it to win electrical gadget, like electrical gadget stuff like that. You already know electrical gadget, television and fridges. So you can just click on join and you'll be able to join. But I really love the idea of this airtime. So guys, the name of this site is known as Afreesite. So go and check Afreesite out. That is it for number 1. And number 2 on the list is known as Wow app. Wow app, that is number 2 on the list. And Wow app is a place where you earn, you share, and you do good. Wow app is, after earning your money, you can share it, and after sharing it, you can use it to do good. You understand? So this, as you can see on the screen, you can see where you can sign in. Just click sign in, or you can sign up. These are the total number of rewards and people doing good on the platform. So it says you can join Wow app, and Wow app is a place of income inequality where you can earn money and you can use it to help people. Helping people is, you can use it to help donate for orphanage or elderly homes. You understand? So you can just use it for donations. After earning your money, you can use it to do donations. So this is how and why Wow app was created. As you can see on the screen, if you continue to read, you can see why Wow app was created: to create and to close the gap between the poor and the rich, where everybody can earn cool money. It says what the offer is: Wow app is a free and unique community that allows you to win rewards and do good. So you understand, this is what Wow app is all about, where you can earn money and you can use it to do good. It says you can cash out for yourself and you can donate it to charity. This is if you wish to, or if you want to donate. And what are the methods of winning rewards if you sign up on Wow app? How can you earn reward on Wow app? So here the number 1 is the UBI. It says use Wow app every day to get your daily universal basic income. So this is UBI. So number 2 is instant earning. You can earn money on Wow app instantly by you can watch videos, performing mobile tasks, and taking surveys. I watch video on my mobile phone, and people perform tasks on their mobile phone. Can use it also to take surveys. So this means that you earn money by doing what you love. And number 3, it says you can shopping. Here you go to a shopping mall and you earn cash back from 10,000 online shops with 42 million products. That means Alibaba will be possible here, and a lot of online shops. So you can use it to shop online, and you can also have a cashback. And games here also, you can play games. Imagine playing games and you earn money. I play PSPP, so I can play my PSPP on Wow app and I use it to make money. So you also talk by making international calls, you also have a cashback. That means if I'm as a Nigeria, I had to call my auntie who is in Italy, I will have a cashback whenever I call her if I use Wow app. And also here is store credit. It says receive gift cards by shopping at your favorite store. Understand, when you shop in your favorite store, you will be able to receive gift card, and you can also donate the money to home, to the motherless, and to the elderly people, as you can see here on the platform. So guys, I want you to check it out. After checking it out, I would like you to drop your review here on my comment section. So guys, on the last on the list, that is the third one, as I promised that I'm not going to make this video long. So the last on the list is known as Honeygain, and as you can see on the pop-up screen, when you go to this website, the first thing they are going to give you is a welcome $5 for free. So they are going to welcome you to the platform with a $5. As you can see, it says new to Honeygain. If this is your first time, they will give you $5, and when you click on the register and get $5. So in order for me to make you to understand what Honeygain is all about, so I'm going to quit on this gift here. I'm going to quit so that I'm going to be able to explain what Honeygain is all about. But if you, after watching this video and this pop up on your screen, please don't forget to click on the register and you get your $5. So let's go straight to the video. As you can see here, it says new to Honeygain, as you just see. So I'm going to pop up. The name of this site is known as Honeygain. So Honeygain is a place where you can earn passive income effortlessly. So even without working much, you can earn money on Honeygain. So it says in Honeygain you can make money by simply sharing your internet, and say start earning now. It also have a mobile app for Android users, and that is it. So guys, this is Honeygain. So let me show you easy ways you can earn passive income on Honeygain. It says Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners. So let's check. One thing about Honeygain is that Honeygain shares your internet connection. So be rest assured that Honeygain is going to use your internet connection. So as a Nigerians, if you are using MTN, if you are using Airtel or Zain or the rest, Honeygain is going to share your internet connections. And it says your earning depends directly on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain network. That means the more you share, the more you earn. And you can see here that you can be able to earn $55 monthly. So this is a traffic shared. It says, for example, this is 14 gig, and if you can share your data for 14 gig, your 14 gig for at least 0 to 4 hours daily, you can use it to earn money. So these are some of the factors that can influence your earning on Honeygain. So these are some of the steps. It says you set it up. That is number one. Number two is you run Honeygain on your background using your internet connection. Number three is let it gather your internet connection. And number four, you help businesses. And number five, you get paid, which is the most importantly, and that is why I've shown you this video, is the ability for you to get paid. So if you want to know how much you can earn even daily on Honeygain, what you simply do is, here on this place where they say get paid, you can just click on the help page, and it's going to take you directly to how much you can earn on Honeygain, and you will be able to calculate your earnings. So guys, please don't forget, the first one I've shown you is known as AfriSite, the second is known as Wow App, and the third is known as Honeygain. So guys, please check it out, and please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and please like this video, share it to your friends so that they can also come here and gain insight like you, and so that it can also make me grow. Until my next videos, I really love you. Thank you.